So some members are joining, others are leaving. Amanda, you're welcome. Bakita was here, but she has run away. I don't know why. We are here with Mwanje, and I don't know why you people, when it comes to presentations, sometimes you delay to come in, or you don't. Some people don't turn up at all. Amanda, where is this girl here? Petronella.
Petronella. She told me that she traveled.
Okay. So she went uptown where there is no network.
Maybe. I don't know. Let me
Okay.
let me
Anyway,
first
come again.
try go.
We can hear you in slow motion. I don't know whether it is a network problem.
Let me first.
Bakita is back. She had gone to take some tea, I think. Bakita, where had you gone?
Yeah, just my network keeps on breaking.
It keeps on breaking. You need to climb a
Yes.
tree now. Yeah, do you know how to climb a tree?
Shamia, I don't.
Mwanje can teach you how to climb a tree to look for network. Because Mwanje's network is very clear. I think so.
So we shall see. Today I'll try. If it's stable,
Okay, fine. Then if it is not stable, you'll have to climb a tree. You'll tell someone to bring
it's shy,
someone.
yes.
Okay. If you are in a storage building, you'll go to the upper floor, the last floor.
He.
Anyway, how was your day
So it
yesterday?
was fine. It was fair. Only that it rained.
Where does it rain like that? We're in a dry season.
So we're in a dry season, but not everywhere.
Mm,
Yeah.
okay. So, did you submit in the assignment? Biology
So
assignment?
after me doing the work, I tapped on submit.
Mm.
Then I don't know if it reached.
Then you did what?
I clicked on submit and then the work. I don't know if it reached though.
You don't know. Did you receive a copy of your responses?
I got some another copy, but it had on answers and or the correct answers.
Okay.
Yes.
Let me check. Let me check in the Google Classroom and I see. But I can't see among the people who have handed in. I don't know what the problem is. People say are handing in, but I can only see 2 people who have handed in. You'll go back to the copy of your responses and you send it to my email. I think you have my email, right?
Chano?
I typed it yesterday here. Maybe let me type it in the group. You'll find it there.
It's okay, teacher.
Yeah, because people say they are submitting, but I can't see their work. I don't know what is happening. Let me type it here. Yeah, I've sent the email in the group, and Akumubet is here in the waiting room. Someone else escaped. Who was that? Akumubeti, we've been waiting for you to take us through the opening prayer, so you are welcome. Akumubeti. Akumubeti, are you there? Betty, we are waiting for you. Yes, Betty.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Yeah, we are waiting for you to take us through the opening prayer. Betty, you are muted. I don't know whether you are praying while muted because we can't hear you.
Pardon?
We were waiting for you to take us through the opening prayer.
Okay, teacher. Good morning, 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 teacher. Good Pardon, teacher.
Akumo Betty, are you there?
Yes.
Yes, we've been waiting for you to take us through the opening prayer.
Okay. Name of the
Yes.
Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not to temptation, but deliver us from to all this through Christ our Lord. Amen.
Amen. Amen. I welcome everyone here. Today is a day of presentations, and we are going to begin with the chemistry. I don't know that's whether everyone is ready for that. There's some work that was left behind. It was incomplete, which some people need to present, and Bakita is very ready to take us through her number. Then the other numbers, also individuals will have to present, those who didn't present yesterday. Or in case you presented yesterday and you did another number which you feel you should share with us, that would be very good. We can also give you the floor and you take us through. I hope I'm not having echoes in my background. If you hear the echoes, raise up your hand. Amanda is hearing echoes. Are they present, Amanda, as well? Do I still have the echoes? Okay. So it is a day for presenting chemistry. Bakita, is your presentation ready so that we give you the floor?
Yes, it's ready.
Okay, you can start sharing the screen. Let me stop mine and I start the other side. Bakita, we're waiting for your screen. Pavintendo, how are you today?
I am
Pavintendo.
fine. Good morning
Okay,
to you all.
good morning to you, Tendo. Where is Catherine? I've not seen Nawzar.
I think she's still sleeping,
She's still sleeping.
probably.
Amanda, have you opened the shop?
No, teacher.
You need to open the shop because customers will want to get some goods.
Teacher, I was just selling some eggs.
Eggs
Yeah.
in a shop.
No, at
So
home.
is the stock done?
Right now it's done.
You need to restock. When are you restocking?
Yee. The hens are here.
Okay. So the hens are supposed to restock.
Yes.
I thought you go and buy and sell.
No.
Okay, fine. Let's pray that the hen lay more eggs so that you get more money and get more data. And
Amen.
yeah. Item one. Yes, we can see your screen. You can open the item one.
Anyway, morning, people.
Good morning, Bakita.
So, yeah, I'm going to present item one. And the question, the question was, state Raoult's law of relative lowering of vapor pressure of a solution. That's part A. Then part I. Part B, I calculate the vapor pressure of a solution containing 18 grams of glucose. That's the formula of glucose in 50 grams of water at 60 degrees Celsius. In brackets, we have vapor pressure of water at 60 degrees Celsius is 150 millimeters mercury. Then part I state any assumptions made in B, part I. So for the answers of part A, wait, anyway, so part A, yes, Gloria.
Bakita, I'm not seeing anything on my screen. Have you presented the work on your screen? Or are you sharing your screen? Because for me, I'm
For
seeing
real?
nothing. Yeah, I'm seeing totally nothing.
Yeah, I'm sharing it.
I'm just seeing here your wallpaper, very nice, but I'm not seeing the work.
For real?
Okay. And see what we can see on our side. Maybe Amanda is seeing something else. But for me, I can see your folder. Rather, you've opened a folder named documents and you have highlighted item one. You are not opening that document that has item one. That's what I can see. She has run away. I think maybe she's not the one who has run away. Okay, how are you, Nabuzare, as we wait for Bakita? How are you, Nabuzare? Catherine, you unmute and talk to us. I'll wait for Bakita.
Yeah, teacher, I'm fine, and you guys?
We are fine, guy. We are very fine.
That's good.
Did you
yesterday
find?
I looked for you.
Yes.
Teacher, I sent my work. I submitted.
Did you send it to the email or
No,
you submit?
I just
Come on,
submitted.
just clicked on submit.
Yes.
I can't really tell what is happening to my Google Classrooms because people who have handed in, the number is not changing. And I'm seeing only 2 people have so far handed in. Maybe you'll go back and forward the copy of your responses to the other email in the group.
Okay, teacher.
Yeah, please do that.
Let me do it.
Fine. Try opening that document, Bakita. Open that document that has item 1. Have you opened it?
I have opened it.
Okay, now, so what you should do, go back to that button where we have share screen. Okay?
Yes.
Click
Yes.
on share screen. Then they'll bring for you different windows that have
I've
opened
clicked
there.
on it.
Look for the different windows that have opened on that screen of share screen. Then click on
Yes,
that
teacher.
very presentation that you have opened.
Yes. Is it visible now?
After clicking on that document, there is a button there of share down there.
Yes.
Wow, that's good.
Yes.
There we have.
Is
There
it
we have.
visible?
Very
Yeah.
good. Yeah, we can
So
see the
people can
item
see.
1 very well.
Yes. Okay, teacher. So for my solutions, since part A was state Raoult's law of relative lowering of vapor pressure over solution, so this is the answer I got, which states that Raoult's law of relative lowering of relative vapor pressure states that the partial pressure of a volatile component of an ideal solution is equal to the product of its vapor pressure and mole fraction at a given temperature, not of a given temperature, at a given temperature.
It is a mole fraction of something at a given temperature. I think you look for that word there and include it.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, that's wonderful. Component.
So how is that?
That is fine.
Yes, so that was the answer for part A. Then part B was saying, part I says calculate the vapor pressure of a solution containing 18 grams of glucose in 50 grams of water at 60 degrees Celsius. In brackets, we have vapor pressure of water at 60 degrees Celsius, which is 150 millimeters mercury. So I summarized the information in the question as follows. So our mass of the solute, which is glucose, is 18 grams. Then our mass of the solvent, which is water, is 50 grams. Then molar mass of glucose, we had to find the RFM of glucose, which was C6H12O6, which was 180 grams. Then molar mass of our solvent water was 18 grams. And vapor pressure of the solvent water was 150 millimeters mercury.
Okay.
So in the calculations, using the formula, using the formula P naught of solvent minus P of solution divided by P naught of solvent. Okay, my formula is not well organized, but when I put
Yeah,
in the
we understand.
values,
We
this is the
understand.
answer that
I think next time we shall. Do you see up there? I think they will see. You look for an option of insert equation. Then
yes.
it will become organized. But for now, it is fine. We can proceed. Let's pray that
Yes,
it will be
teacher.
organized.
It will.
Okay.
Then when I put in my values in the formula, this is the answer I get. If it's not correct, kindly submit your answers.
Okay. First click on that slide that has the question. Slide it to yes. 18 grams of glucose, vapor pressure of water. Okay, that is the solvent. Back to the solution. To your okay. Preparation of the solution. Yeah, this that will be a very good organization. First of all, write the formula. The second, correct substitution. Okay, you'd miss a mark for evidence of working. Then usually there are 3 to 4 marks there. So
Yeah.
answer with the units. That's very good. Let me hope people have pressed the calculator and that is the correct answer. Akumu Betty, did you get the same answer?
Yes, teacher.
Oh, Morris, did you get the same answer?
Yes, teacher, I got that one.
Okay, let me hope it is a very correct answer. That's very good. Proceed. Catherine, you want me to send the email? The email, you'll find it in the group. It's already there. We've lost your screen.
Let me put it back.
Okay.
There. Then
Wonderful.
part B, II states that state any assumptions made in BI. So these are the answers I got. I don't know if there is any you sublimate. Number one, the solution must be dilute. Then number two, the solute is non-volatile. Then part three, there is no chemical reaction between the solute and the solvent. And then the solute does not associate or dissociate in the solution. So, but if you have any additions or subtractions, then you can give me and I remove.
Okay, the assumptions are always the same. in among the colligative properties, I think.
Yes, teacher.
So that's very good. Is that all?
Chaya, that's all.
This is a wonderful presentation. I think we should clap for her. Clap for her. Clap for her. Clap for her.
Okay.
Akumu has clapped. Okay, people have clapped for you. That's very good. Let me also clap for you. Yeah. My clap is black.
Teacher, thank you.
Yes, okay. Who else is taking us through the other numbers? Which numbers are remaining, by the way? Which number is remaining? Gloria. Which numbers are remaining? Number 6. Who has attempted number 6? Who didn't present? Do you have any person who is here and didn't present yesterday or today? Who has left? Someone is leaving. Who didn't present, members? I'm still calculating it. Amanda is still calculating number 6. Who finished the calculation so that you present to us as Amanda is calculating? Finally, Petronella is here. I don't know where she had gone. I was told she's traveling to the village, and I was wondering whether there is no network in the village, but I thank God that there is network in the village because she's here. Adikini, unmute and talk to us because we've already started the presentations.
Good morning, teacher.
Good.
Yeah.
Are you in the village?
Yes.
What is the commonest thing there in the village?
Right now, cassava.
Yeah. Will you bring for us some?
No, that depends. That depends. Because right now we are eating it.
It depends on what.
It is too heavy.
You dry it. You recall our measurement of growth, measuring dry mass. So dry it, and the dry mass will be lighter than the wet mass.
Okay.
Wow, Mwanje, is this Mwanje's screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I believe you want to take us through item 6.
Yeah.
You can take the floor.
Okay. Item 6 was saying when 100 grams of sucrose were dissolved in 1 kilogram of water at 20 degrees Celsius, the vapor pressure maybe it is decreased by 16.6 pascals. Then calculate the molar mass of sucrose. In brackets, we have vapor pressure of water at 25 degrees Celsius is 3.17 kilopascals. From our formula, change in P over P not solvent equals to M solute over molecular mass of the solute divided by the mass of the solvent over the molecular mass of the solvent. But from our question, they have said that they gave us the difference, which is the decrease, which is 16.6, and we're going to put it here. And they gave us 3.17 kilopascals, 3,170, which is there. And we say that is equal to 100 over molecular mass of the solute divided by 1,000. 1,000 is the kilogram of water. We converted it into grams and we got 1,000. Then divide over 18 the molecular mass of water. Then after the calculations, the molecular mass of the solute is 343.7349. But the teacher yesterday corrected us and he said that we look at the question, the number with the highest number of decimal places, this one. Then you are going to take 2 decimal places.
Okay. And the molecular mass of sucrose is 343.73. Okay, that's wonderful. That's very, very wonderful. Do you have someone who can comment on Mwanje's work? Either appreciating or an addition or a subtraction. Akumo Betty is in the waiting room. I don't know why she went there. Let me admit her. Akumo Betty, who took you to the waiting room? Okay. Can I have people commenting on Mwanje's work? Okay, if the work is good, react with the other thumbs up. React with the thumbs up. Members, are you still there? Okay, Adikini, I've seen your thumbs up. People are leaving. Who is that one who's leaving? Let me check. Okay. Okay, fine. I believe that is it. Only that was the molecular mass of water given in the question?
No, teacher.
Okay, so sometimes if you have not been given a molecular mass directly, you can at least show you're working somewhere there, or you get to the 18. Unless if it is of, if you're looking at one element, and rather a compound that has only one element, you can just feed in the molecular mass. But water has 2 elements, so it means that you should show some marking somewhere of the RFM, but the rest is fine. Only that would carry maybe 1 or half a mark in case someone is to mark your work.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Then you've already corrected yourself that you are going to work on the number of decimal places. That's good. Dikini, you are lost, and usually if you come late, you get lost. Amanda, you have something to say.
Yes, teacher, I have a question.
Please do.
Teacher, yesterday you were talking about the number of decimal places, but
Yeah.
I'm requesting that you repeat for me how we know the number of decimal places of the answer.
Okay. So, once you get your final answer, you go back to the question and look for a value that has the highest number of decimal places. The one that has the highest of the number of decimal places tells you, actually the examiner communicates that indirectly, and he wants your answer to be to do those number of decimal places. If there are two, for example, in this scenario here, we have 16.6, that is one decimal place, then 3.17 per kilopascals, meaning our final answer should be to 2 decimal places because that is the value that has the highest number of decimal places. Is that clear?
Yes, teacher.
Wonderful. Okay, so I'm seeing Manje already has item 7. I don't know whether you had already worked out item 7 or we should allow Manje take us through. Meanwhile, Petronella, I don't know why you are still lost. Where can we find you?
Yeah, no problem. I'm going to work out on my own.
Okay, so you had not worked out, right? You should discuss number 7. Why do you want Mwanje to discuss item 7? Amanda, you did not attempt the work. Eh, people here did not finish teacher's work. And I'm going to come there and I give you 7 strokes.
But teacher, it was like this.
It was like what?
Teacher, Mr. Joshua put those numbers in the group, and he told us that everyone should choose one number.
Okay.
I first did my number, which was number 2. Then I was still calculating the others because I had a lot of work, but I had finished completing mine, the one I was to present. So some people didn't choose.
They didn't choose, and for you, Bambi, you have a lot of work. There's biology, there's chemistry, you have to calculate some numbers in math, you have to sell some eggs. Yeah, the work
Yes,
is too much.
and I also have to work. I also have to do housework. So teacher, it was very hectic. That's why I didn't complete. But I had calculated the one I was going to present.
Okay, okay. Yeah, but find the time and finish the numbers.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Then the others. Bukenya. Bukenya, did you present yesterday?
Yes, hello.
Yes, we are hearing you.
As I never presented, but I had done number 6, but I'm gonna do another number. I never knew that everyone had to select his own question.
Okay, so And maybe next time, in case you are attempting, you can attempt yours plus some other numbers because it's not a guarantee that everyone who is here will be present during the time of presentation. So just in case someone
Not
is
they,
absent, we
Master,
can, yes.
not they are told us everyone should pick one question.
Mm.
That's where the problem came from.
Okay, so what I'm trying to say is that next time, if that is the case, if the teacher says everyone should pick their question, you can pick yours, but in addition to having your question, you can also attempt the other questions. That actually it becomes better because if someone is presenting here and they have a wrong answer, you are capable of raising your concern and say you have a different answer because I calculated and this is what I got. It saves some time, I think. All right. Mwanji, are you here with us? People want you to
Master,
present item 7.
Mister,
Yes, Bukenya.
Master, I have a question on Baktazi Part B.
On
Baktazi Part B. I also did that number, but I got a different answer.
Bakita's part B.
Yeah. The P solution.
Which answer did you get?
I got 144. 144.6.
144.6. What did Bakita have?
I saw like Bakta got 96.
So where could the problem have arisen? I've not yet gone. I actually don't have those numbers. Bakita is in the waiting room. I don't know how she got to the waiting room, but I think she has joined. Bakita.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, who is that? Mwanje or Bukenya? Yes, I was asking for next
Teacher,
year's.
it's 144.
Come again?
It's 144.6. 144.6.
144.6.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. That's you see, it becomes better in case you had attempted the number. It's easier to correct when someone is still presenting. Bakita, are you still there?
I'm still there.
You went to the waiting room, you came back, you went back to the waiting room, and you're back, and you also went back, and you are back. I don't know what is in the waiting room. Are you eating breakfast from there?
No.
So that we join you in the waiting room. Okay, so I'm told that what was the answer that you had on your presentation? Was it 96?
Yes.
People have 144.6. Could it be
144.6.
could it be a problem with the calculation or the calculator?
I think. Let me retry it.
Okay, okay, try it again. You'll come up with a better answer. Catherine, why do you go to the waiting room? Are you eating breakfast in the waiting room? Catherine. Maria is also the other side of the waiting room.
I'm
Yes,
sorry,
Maria.
something. Hi.
Come again.
I was still doing something, but I'm now back.
You're still climbing the tree looking for the network.
No.
Okay. So, Maria, you are very early. Thank you for coming in very early for the next session. You are welcome. We have already had several presentations.
But
And
teacher,
yes.
have you seen? I've sent it in your email.
Are you talking about the work?
Yeah.
Let's check the email.
Okay.
Meanwhile, who is presenting item 7? Okay, Nabuzare, I've seen your email here. I don't know whether it's going to open. Okay, it has a sugar phosphate backbone. Okay, fine. I've seen your work. Nabuzare, I've seen your work.
Thank you.
Mwanje Morris, I've also seen your work. I've seen your work. That's very good. Who else? Okay, those are the people who have sent their work so far. Including Petronella, I have not seen your work. Petronella, where are you? You get lost for a very long period of time and your work is missing.
How come?
Did you send did you submit the work to the classroom?
Yeah, like clicking submit, right? So that's what I did.
Because I can't see your name, and you'll go back to your email. I think you received a copy of your responses, right? So forward that copy of the responses to the email that I posted in the group.
Okay.
You'll forward that. Okay. Mwanje, are you still there? We are waiting for you. Okay, wow, that's wonderful.
Master, item 7 says
Yes.
the vapor pressure of pure water at 25 degrees Celsius is 3,166 pascals. The vapor pressure of a solution of 4 grams of sugar in 100 grams of water at the same temperature is 3,154.5 pascals. Calculate the relative molecular mass of sugar. This is the same as the last question. But here, they have given us the P naught solvent and the P solution. Meaning you are going to first subtract the P naught solvent minus the P solution, and you get the difference between them. Then after, the other thing is we are looking for the molecular mass of the solute, which is sugar. And here the concern is that you said that we first calculate the molecular mass of water when it is not given from the question.
Good.
Then after the calculations, you substitute well and you get
Amanda, you are writing on our screen. Can you stop writing on our screen, Amanda?
Then the molecular mass of the solid is 182.4192. The reason is that maybe we are going to consider the one decimal place, because from our question, the highest number of decimal places is 1.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it, master.
Okay, that's very good. Any other person who had a different answer? Any other person with a different answer? Amanda is clapping. I think she doesn't have the answer. That's why she's saying it is fine. Akumu, do you have the same answer? Bakita, did you do that question? Do you have the same answer? People are quiet. Bakita, Petronella, Bukenya. Bukenya is quiet a lot. Maria, you've been so quiet since you joined. Then Kathy, Pavintendo. Pavintendo. There is a term called Kamori. So you decided to go to Kamori. Pavintendo. She has run away. No, that is someone else. Pavintendo.
Master.
Yes, who is okay, Bukenya, yes.
As I have also tried the number, it's the same answer.
You obtain the same. Okay. Correct number of decimal places, that is how many? 1 or 2? Okay. I think those are the numbers. I don't know whether there are more numbers to be presented, because if they are there to be presented, another person should come in, because Mwanje has presented to us like 3 times, I think. Then another person should also come in. Are there more numbers, members? Maria, Catherine, talk to us.
Yes, teacher, let me present number 8.
Okay, that's wonderful. Okay, we can see
Yeah,
Now
that's
it's
the
mm-hmm.
yeah. So the question goes, it says 19 grams of solute K were dissolved in 90 grams of water, and vapor pressure of the solution was lowered by 42. Hmm? Cha first wait. It was lowered by 42. Some correction in that work.
Was lowered by what?
Teacher, wait, there is something I've observed again. Because the question says it was lowered by 42. Meaning the 42 is the DP, right?
Sure.
Yeah. So I have to correct something.
Okay,
So
we're
it was,
waiting for it.
yeah. I'm going to just change something small. S-
Maria. Maria,
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
You are in a Kamodi, right?
No,
We have to remove you from Kamodi. Eh? Who else is in Kamodi there? Pavintendo has gone quiet for a while.
Teacher, I'm
I'm
around.
Okay. Finally, you are back from Kamodi. Do you know the meaning of the word Kamodi?
Yes.
Briefly explain.
Like when you're just there. For Ali.
And you're just there. When you have just logged in and you're saying nothing. When you're working
Yes.
just to listen. Okay, did you try out the numbers, Pavintendo? All of them.
Sure, by the time they were teaching that work, I hadn't yet joined the class. I
You
joined on Wednesday, the chemistry class.
So I don't know whether we are getting what we are talking about because when the introduction was made,
So I'll
I
get it.
you'll get
I'm
it. I don't know
trying.
where. Come again.
I'm trying to
Okay,
follow.
if you're finding challenges, you raise up your hand and Bakita can explain to us or Petronella. But Petronella was on and off yesterday. I didn't.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know that you can see something, guys.
Please zoom the other upper part because we are seeing your leg. We are seeing the leg. Who is having the hen in the background? Leave the hen to the cock to crow. Don't beat the cock. It is telling that Christmas is ready and it is making you aware that you are going to slaughter it as a predator. Yes, Catherine. Wow.
Yeah, that's the response.
Can you try to scroll to the upper part?
Nah, I just got the response, which is the question.
Hey, you've looked out the question.
Yes.
Okay, it would be better if you had the question somewhere so that we follow together. But let's try to see whether we shall follow. Continue.
It's really going to be very hard. But then, if they have demystifying, they can click there and then they'll be following the question from there.
Okay.
Yeah. So the thing is, the question was saying, I'm going to read it from here. Maybe they can summarize down.
Okay.
Okay. We have 19 grams of a solid K. 19 grams of solid K were dissolved in 90 grams of water. Meaning we have the mass of the solid and the mass of the solvent. Yeah. And the vapor pressure of solution was lowered by 42. If someone was not keen like the way he did at first, of course you failed the question. Because they're telling us the vapor pressure of the solution was lowered by 42, meaning the 42 millimeters of mercury at the DP.
Okay.
The DP. So we shall say, continuation of the question says, calculate molar mass of solid K if vapor pressure of pure water is 92.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are given the vapor pressure of water as 92. Yeah. So you'll come in your formula and substitute this. But in the upper part where we have P naught minus P, it's given as 42 in the question. The one I told you is the DP, and the P is the 92 in the question. And after that, you substitute for mass of solid, which is 19, divided by the MR they want, times the 18. Yeah. 18, which is the MR of water, molecular mass of water, divided by 90, which is the mass of water. Yeah. So we shall have 42 over 92 being equal to 342 over 90 MR. You cross multiply, divide through by that, and then you get the MR. I just did the number right now, so I'm not so sure. If someone has done it, maybe proving you can.
Yeah, I also got the same answer.
Okay, so what was the requirement of the question? Was it asking for molecular mass or relative molecular mass?
It wanted molar mass, meaning we have to put the units.
Okay. How about the number of places, accuracy?
We have 0.
0 decimal places.
Yes.
Yeah, so you should have 0 decimal
8.
place or a maximum
Yes.
of, but 0 decimal place is better.
Okay.
Yeah. I think that is what to work upon. Then the other part, if you were present in Mwanje's presentation, we mentioned that if you are given the molecular mass of water in the question, it is fine, you can just substitute it direct. But if you are not given, include some working somewhere besides on how you come up with the 18.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you have someone else who has something to say? If not, that's a very good presentation. Let's clap for her. For Nabuzari. Okay. Pavin has clapped today, including Adikini and Akumu. Then Nabuzari has clapped for herself. Okay, that's good. Bakita has clapped. Wow, people have clapped. That's wonderful. Maria has also clapped. Then who am I not to clap? People are clapping. Let me also clap. Okay. Fine. Do you have someone who has something else to say? Because we have revised a lot of, you discussed a lot of the same thing, relative lower of vapor pressure, unless we have someone with a concern. Anyone with a concern? Maria has cancelled something. What have you cancelled, Maria? Let me check. Maria has said it, no. No, I don't know what you mean by no. Do you mean that you don't have a concern? Please unmute. People, you should unmute and say something. Unmute and say something. Yeah. Let me ask everyone to unmute. Mm-hmm.
Teacher, for me, I
Petra,
have nothing to say.
Bukenya is saying that Petra, you should unmute. So, Amanda, you say you have nothing to say.
Me too, teacher. I have nothing to say.
Teacher,
Good guy. Yes.
teacher, when will teacher Josh join us?
Joshua, right now he's in Rwanda and not capable of joining us. You know, when you go to another country, roaming bundles become very expensive to buy.
Okay, so no hopes till when?
The ceremony
Teacher,
is going to be present tomorrow. I think on Monday, I think he'll be available.
teacher.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you going to have lessons on Sunday?
Nope.
Tomorrow?
Teacher.
Nope. Our last lesson for this week is on a Friday.
Okay.
Nice.
Yes.
Teacher, may I found challenges on number 5.
Number 5. What was it talking about?
Like 10 grams of a certain solute were dissolved in 67 grams in ethoxyethane,
Yes.
60 degrees Celsius,
Mm.
and the vapor pressure of the solution was measured to be 0.2928 atmosphere.
Okay.
At this temperature, vapor pressure of ethoxyethane was found to be 0.3618 atm. Calculate the relative molecular mass of the solute. May I found challenges there?
Had you tried working it out and you got stuck along?
Failed.
Yes.
I failed it.
Were you present yesterday?
No.
Oh, we did that number yesterday, and have you written it down? You can take a screenshot. You can take a pic and share with us your screenshot so that people who were here yesterday can guide you.
I screenshot the number.
Yeah, take a pic of the work that you have done and what you've written so far. I think the number plus you are working up to where you've reached.
Everything from the start.
Yes.
They are wrong. Very wrong.
Come again?
All that number from the start, it is wrong.
You post it and we see how wrong it is so that we
Oh.
correct.
Even Adikin is laughing at him.
You present it and you see where you went wrong. We want to see the wrong answer. Yes, that is correct, Catherine. We want to see that wrong answer. You never know, the formula may be correct. Yeah, you never know. Meanwhile, let me try to reach out to Mr. Joshua and see whether he pick my calls. That he says hi to you in case. Have we finished taking the pictures?
The telephone number you have called is not available.
We are waiting for... Yes, Mr. Joshua. Good morning, sir. I'm okay. Are you still in Rwanda? You slept along the way. Did you sleep along the way? Okay. You have not crossed the border yet. Your children are here asking. They are asking, where are you? Why are you not joining? Should I put you on loud so that they hear your voice at least? Let me try to put them on loud. Yeah, they have discussed so far. They have discussed 7 numbers. You began yesterday. Yes, they have discussed 7 numbers. Yes, you people, can you hear Mr. Joshua?
Can they hear me?
Yes.
Play by US car.
Yes.
XN. Blue is low.
Who is that in the radio?
Oh, wange kazi.
Listen, the teacher is talking to you.
Mr. Oscar,
Yes, please.
let me try to join and I see whether I can talk to them a little bit.
Okay.
Let me see if I can join there. Because I don't know whether the network will allow, but let me just try.
Okay, you can try. But they are hearing you.
Yes?
They are hearing your voice.
Teacher, we can hear you.
So far, I think the numbers were they 10?
Yes.
All of them.
But if you have discussed the 7, that is great. However, if they have other numbers to discuss right from the different sources, they can still discuss them. So long as they are about to vapor pressure lowering, even elevation. However much we did not talk about the calculations. But just to thank those who have tried to discuss and take through those fellows of yours. That's great. That's good. And I hope they have learned something at least. As I told them, when you present to your fellows, you basically gain more than even your fellows. You get to understand the concepts better than even the way you have been knowing them. So they should develop that spirit of discuss, and that's where we are going basically in this new curriculum. So they have to discuss, and I think because I meet them on Monday, so they should try out those other calculations of elevation, boiling point, such that when I come, we just be passing through them and you go direct to freezing point also. Because I think on Monday you don't want to spend a lot of time. We look at elevation, boiling point, the depression, freezing point, and on Tuesday we look at osmotic pressure, and that one also gets done. So they should pass through those calculations, those other calculations. What they shouldn't forget, they are the other graphs, which I left because they were around 2 graphs. The one of vapor pressure against the mass of a solid, and the one of vapor pressure lower against the concentration of the solid. Those are 2 graphs. How they can the slope, how they can get a slope, and how they can use the slope to get either the molar mass of the solute, whether molar mass of the solvent, mass of the solid, whatever being asked. So they should approach those graphs and we look at them. So I think during the weekend, I know that they have been very busy with the number of tasks, but I think during the weekend they can try out those graphs. And I'm pretty sure even in the question bank there are some other graphs about vapor pressure one. So if possible, they can still check right from the question bank, and they also put those other graphs which are there. Yeah, so they can easily get to understand more of those concepts right from practicing those graphs and those numbers down there. Right now, I may not be in a position to engage with them in discussion because I'm really not in a convenient environment. I'm not in a convenient environment. I'm traveling to Rwanda right now. We are just leaving the Kabale where we slept. So just going to Rwanda. But I think by Sunday, we'll be leaving this side, and by Monday, I think we'll be back. So we'll meet and we'll discuss. So it is better they try out some other questions. Then when you come back, I think we'll discuss, we'll peruse through some other questions which they have landed on. Which they have landed on during their weekend and what. So they shouldn't relax. That's what they should know. And by the way, they should advise their fellows. I'm very sure there are some other fellows of them who are still struggling, and they know themselves that they are struggling here. But I don't know why they don't want to do such sessions. Because right from these sessions, we gain a lot. Because we have a lot of time to look at these things, to ferment them, such that they can easily understand. So, Mr. Oscar, those guys make sure, I know they're hearing me, they should advise their fellows, especially those who are struggling, because they know themselves. Unless when they are having some physical touches, right, from their home places. But if not so, they should really do what? Join these sessions, because they are very important. We are trying to...
Now battery discharge.
And as I told them, they have a lot to cover. They have a lot ahead. There are some changes that are going to come, which they are supposed to absorb. So all those changes which are going to come and other stuff. So if they find you when you already know nothing, it will be totally a miserable situation. So they should advise their fellows really to go in this session before it is too late. Yes. So don't become selfish. So those who have already joined, try to advise your parents right away.
Okay.
So otherwise, right now I'm going to go off because the environment I'm in is not production limit. So continue guiding them as they are discussing. Otherwise, thank you so much, Mr. Oscar, for that. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you so much for that, for the guidance and the time you have given them when we are not here, when you're not around. So thank you so much. And those who have attended, thank you for attending and thank you for keeping time because I've been staying here right here. Though some members are still struggling with the time management. Yeah, this one you're supposed to learn it right from school because when you reach at campus, no one will even guide you, no one even tell you anything about time management. So you have to learn this right from this side. So continue managing time and make sure you learn something at least each and every day. Don't spend the whole day without learning anything new. Yeah, because you'll be wasting your time or sometimes wasting your money. So don't want it to waste all this time. Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, you are welcome.
So, I think I'm going to stop here.
It is fine. We wish you a blessed journey, a very safe journey back as you're going to Ghana.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Members, I think you heard from Mr. Joshua. I think you've heard from Mr. Joshua, and he was clear. I don't know whether someone had a question for him, but he's now offline. Yes, Bakita.
Jamie, I had a question for teacher, but it's off.
You had it concerning the work?
Yes.
Oh, I think you can write it somewhere and he'll attempt it when he gets free because now he's traveling.
Okay, teacher.
Yeah. Just write it somewhere. You'll ask it when he comes back. Okay. We were waiting for the other wrong answer, but she has not presented. Is she still with us? Maria, are you still with us? We're waiting for your wrong answer so that you share the screen. She has left. Okay, members, I want us to stop here. We go for a break, then we come in for biology. We can go for a break, members. Let's go for a break. We shall come back at exactly 10:40. Go and prepare for biology. It is also going to be a presentation. Mr. Center is numbers. Adekini, what's the problem?
Teacher, you've said that what?
There are
Teacher, you
some
said
numbers.
that
Come again.
Mr. Sente gave numbers. I'm not aware about the numbers. Which numbers again did he give?
You go
Like
to
he
the
gave numbers.
give out some work for discussion. If you check your group, go to your group.
Okay. I'm requesting that you resend it, or maybe I'm not sure if I even. Mr. Center gave, okay, I'm not aware maybe, but like, which numbers though? Just requesting that you resend them.
Let me call Mr. Center and ask him to send in the group.